Okay, so check this out right over here. We are going to be doing a unboxing review and install on the CASEKOO iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover in the color of white that we are going to be doing a unboxing review and install on, which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review and install, we are going to open everything up and show you guys what you get inside. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. Okay, so we are going to open this up and show you guys more in depth about this iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover. So without going further, let's go show you guys that and place this right over here. And right over here, we have a few little things. It tells it has a 360 degrees rotatable stand. It comes with the MagSafe charger as well too, and also a certified military protection as well. And place that right over here. And also a huge plus that it comes with a CASEKOO stickers that you can place on your laptop, or you could also place it on your iPhone case as well too. I mean, how cool is this that they have that provided as well too? But without going any further, let's go show you the iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover, which is right over here. And you can see how beautiful this case cover looks like. Now, one of the main key points that I do want to discuss about this iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover is that it has a 360 degrees rotatable stand. So you can see right over here, if I pull the tab right here, you can rotate it just like that. So let's say, for example, you are trying to FaceTime with somebody, you could place it just like that, which is like right over here, for example, or you can have it horizontal as well too, which you could also place it just like that as well too. So you can have it like that. But if you are trying to do like FaceTime or something, then you can have it like that, or you're trying to watch a movie with your friends or family, you can have it like that. But overall, just by looking at this case, even from the inlays of the inside of the material as well too, you can see that it really is high quality. And on the backing of it as well too, I love how it has the screen protection as well too onto the camera lens as well too. And then also I love the matte white color that it has, but not just that, I love the see-through design as well too. That contrast looks really nice as well. And the material of this is really high quality as well too. It's like a hard shell plastic material, but it really is very strong and really durable. And it does come with the military grade protection. So what that means and what that does is that, let's say, for example, if your iPhone falls down at a certain height, it does tell that it has up to 18 feet of heights, that if it falls down, it will protect your iPhone from getting damaged. So up to 18 feet, that's one thing to keep in mind. But if it falls down, it will protect your iPhone from getting damaged, which is something that's really important. And right over here, you can see, like I told you guys before, 360 degrees. And you can see the material is really high quality in the matte white color. But what we're going to do now is that we're going to install this onto my iPhone 17 Pro Max case. And from there, we are going to then show you guys the finished results when I have it equipped onto my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So without going any further, let's go install it and show you guys the finished results. Okay, so here's the finished results that I have it equipped onto my iPhone 17 Pro Max. And you can see that it turned out absolutely beautiful. I just love the way how it feels. Now, this one thing I do want to discuss is that the backing of this on the back, it feels really soft. It has that silicone material on the back. And then right over here, the material is like a hard shell plastic material, like I told you guys before. Really is durable and really strong. And then not just that, but I just love the fact that despite of having the military grade protection and all the stuff to protect your iPhone from getting damaged, I just love how despite of that, the buttons are still functional as well too. So you just press it, volume down, volume up, the silent button right over here, and then turn it on and off like that. And then we have this button right over here on that side as well. Everything's functional, and I just love that it comes with the screen protection as well too for your camera lens as well. So if it falls down, they'll definitely protect your camera lens as well too from getting damaged as well. And I just love the 360 degrees, when you use it. Let's say, for example, you are trying to, do a FaceTime with somebody, you could have it placed just like that. Or if you are trying to watch a movie with your friends or family, you just move it just like that and put it down like that. And then right over here, you can see I have it placed just like that. So you could just watch a movie with your friends and family as well too, like that. And right over here, you can see also the buttons right here for the speakers are also exposed as well too. So you don't have to worry about it getting interfered or anything like that. Everything's, the speakers are there. The USB-C is right there. And right over here, you can see when you're not using it, you just close it just like that. You'll hear that click, and from there, it locks into place. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover because of the fact that it's really strong and durable. It has the 18 feet military grade protection as well too. It looks really nice. It has a silicone finish on the backing as well too. It's really soft and nice, and it feels very good as well too. And the buttons are really functional as well too. It goes volume up, volume down. And so far, I absolutely love it. If you are looking for a iPhone 17 Pro Max case for your iPhone, then this one right over here from CASEKOO is by far one of the best ones to get. And not just that, there's one more thing I forgot to tell you guys is that you could also use this as a ring stand as well too. So let's say, for example, you're just trying to carry around with you, you could have it just like this. and you can see it turns on like that, so you can use it like a ring stand as well. But yeah, I would definitely recommend the CASEKOO iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover in the matte color finish. If you are looking for a case cover for your iPhone, then this one right over here is by far one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.